If you're looking to log into your Temu account, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the easy method to sign into your Temu account. So whether you're on your phone or computer, I've got you covered. First, let's open the Temu website. If you have Temu app, you can also simply tap on it. Now just go to temu.com, and once you're on the Temu homepage, look for the sign in button. Here, as you can see, sign in/register. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your login credentials like this. Simply click on continue with Google, or simply continue to enter your password. Click on continue again, and that's it. That's how you simply sign in or log in to your Temu account. Now if you forgot your password, you can also tap on the forgot password link under the sign in fields. But if you have your Google or Apple or something like Facebook account linked, it will be more easier to log in, and that's how you sign in to your Temu account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.